This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, December 30th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at noon today. Big trough digging in across the Great Lakes in the northeast. See the system hanging back over the west coast. That's going to bring a lot of snow across the southwest. But our main story will be the cold air sinking in from the Arctic. Highs today will be in the single digits and lower teens, colder in the snowpack areas, warmer in the non-snowpacked areas. Another cold night tonight will lead into a slightly, and we mean slightly, warmer day on Wednesday. Highs will get out of the single digits. Teens for most of the state, maybe approaching 20 in our far southern counties. We'll have to see. Sunshine both today and tomorrow, and even into Thursday as well. Could see an increase in clouds in our far northern and northeastern counties with a little bit of snow off to our north across Minnesota, Wisconsin. But our main feature is going to be that storm over the southwest. It'll be starting to gather strength here as we move into Friday. You can see the moisture developing over Texas, Louisiana, quite a bit of rain down there. Around here, we could see an increase in clouds very late Friday, especially Friday night and into the day on Saturday. You can see on Saturday, the low pressure center around Memphis, the Mid-South area. Snow could be breaking out, very light snow across our southern counties. You can see another system to our north. That is an Arctic front that's going to be swinging down and sort of merging with this system as it moves into Saturday and early on Sunday. Snow could be ending, but the cold winds will blow. That could create some blowing snow and some travel difficulties on Sunday. But there's still some variability as to what this storm could do. We'll have to wait and see. Going into next week, though, you can see a system is dropping in from the north and west. It's pretty much the boundary between the warmer air and the Arctic air that's still going to be over Canada. You can see that here by next Tuesday. Flow coming straight from the North Pole across Canada, and then it sweeps southeastward across the Great Lakes in the northeast. Otherwise, we have a Pacific flow coming in across the southern tier of the country, and it's that boundary between the cold Arctic air and the warmer, more temperate air to the south that'll be where we'll be, and that could bring some snows across the area with variability every couple of days or so. Going into the extended period, around the 9th, 10th of the month of January, you can see cold air still centered over about Hudson Bay, the Great Lakes, the northeast, eastern Canada. Still the flow coming out of the northwest means still some cold air around. Storm along the east coast, producing some rain along the coast and some decent snows possible across the northeast and the Great Lakes. System over the northwest as well. The end of the forecast on the 14th. This looks exactly like the first image we showed you. Storm over the southwest, and look, cold air coming straight from the North Pole across Canada, and it swings across the plains and the Great Lakes once again. What does that mean? It means cold air looks to return once again. So where it looks like it's going to be a repeating pattern. Some cold shots, a little bit of stormy action. So we'll have to see if this continues further into the month of January as well. Satellite image from last evening. We had a disturbance off to our west, producing a little bit of light snow. Could skim our far western counties, but it's doubtful. Maybe a cloud or two. Better chance of snow will be across Nebraska. The rest of the country is fairly quiet at this point. Although the Watch Warning Map doesn't look very quiet, wind chill advisories across the high plains, the Midwest, even northwest Iowa, some winter weather advisories across Kansas into Colorado, New Mexico, and a lot of wintry weather across the southwest. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. Through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, showing heaviest precipitation will be across the Mid-South, lower Mississippi River Valley, maybe 1 to 2 inches, a little bit of snow across the southwest, and very little precipitation around here.